Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You cannot be helped to bypass two-factor security. Instead, start recovery. First, confirm the email and phone on the account are reachable. Next, search for saved Instagram backup codes or check a trusted device where you're still logged in. Gather a government ID or photo if you may need identity verification. Once done, you'll be ready to follow official recovery flows. Make sure all contact details are correct to receive support emails and reset options. Now use Instagram's built-in recovery. From the login screen, tap Get Help signing in or need more help, and enter your username or linked email/phone. Then choose the option to receive a security code to the contact methods on file. This is why confirming access matters. If you don't get a code, select the option to request account review. Upload the ID and any requested photos. This gives Instagram evidence to verify ownership. Finish the process by following support emails closely and replying with any documents they request. Timely responses speed verification. Once Instagram restores access, decide whether to disable two-factor authentication through settings. Do not attempt to remove it without proper codes. Instead, update your phone number, enable an authenticator app, and store backup codes securely. If the recovery stalls, use built-in appeal options or the help center to escalate. Make sure to keep records of all correspondence for reference.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.